very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Nandivardhan Group, on behalf of Sivanta, I am your host this evening. My name is Pankuri, and to start this evening, I would first up like to extend a very hearty and warm welcome to all of you, and also thank you all for gracing this very special evening with your glorious presence. Well, this evening is very special for very many reasons. But firstly, it marks the launch of Sivanta, which is another glorious feather in the already illustrious cap of the Nandivardhan Group. Can we please hear a huge round of applause? And secondly, this evening promises to be studded with hordes and hordes of entertainment that promises to enthrall us as also put us in the perfect groove for celebration and festivity. Well, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let's kickstart this evening with our first act. As we all know and understand, there is no occasion or event that can ever be complete or successful without the blessings of the Almighty. So let us start this evening with the blessings of the Lord of Good Fortune himself, Lord Ganesha. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome my first act. A huge round of applause for the JP group who are going to be performing on the Ganesh Vandana.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि
हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई
Let's hear another huge round of applause for the JP group. That was indeed a brilliant start. As the act suggested, we've already seen what is called the Shubh Aram. We have prepared a very special AV which will in detail and elaborately tell you what lies in store for you if and hopefully when you shift into Sivanta. Can we please roll the AV?
Blessed by nature, blessed by comforts, blessed by conveniences from all around, blessed with luxuries, and blessed with a lifestyle to live unbound. Life here is truly a blessed one. Come and experience it. Welcome to Sivanta.
For the loudest applause. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm very sure that you're very awestruck by what you just saw. And I'm very sure that all of you are longing to get your own Sivanta pad, that is your own Sivanta home right away. Am I right? Come on, a louder cheer than that. That's better, thank you. Well, what's next? I'm sure you're very intrigued. Well, next is an act that is sure to inspire you and that is sure to enthrall you even more. Once again, it's my privilege to introduce the Imperial Fernando Ballet Company performing the Swan Lake. Can we please hear a huge round of applause for them? That was very beautiful, and again, I'm pretty sure very difficult to do, but that truly was beautiful. So let's hear a huge round of applause once again. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to ask you a random question, and all of you have to reply to me in chorus. What is the main reason for which we've gathered here today? What is the main reason for which we've gathered here today? Everybody seems to be so lost in translation. You guys are, aap to ghar ke log hai. Let them say. What about you guys? Why are we here today? Exactly. We are here to celebrate the launch of Sivanta. And as you know, Sivanta spells luxury and opulence. Now, what is it about Sivanta that is a cut above? What is it about Sivanta that makes it so different? I'm sure that with that AV, you already know somewhat an answer to that question. But if not, then I have an endless list here which will tell you exactly why this house is not just another ordinary home. Well, Sivanta isn't just another property to begin with. It is, in fact, a way of life. At Sivanta, you won't just find a home, but you will discover yourself and sanctity. Other than that, it also offers you a home which is full with luxury and happiness. Now, that's quite an oxymoron. You know why? Because there's just so much you hear. You know, all these spiritual gurus, they keep saying कि luxury के पीछे मत भागो. अगर आप luxury के पीछे भागोगे, तो आप कभी खुश नहीं रहोगे. You know, let me tell you, all that is just crap. If you move into Sivanta, you're sure to find luxury as well as happiness, because luxury is happiness. Do we agree? Like, how can you be happy if you don't have a luxurious life? Like, I'm not happy if I have to travel in a bus, you know. Like, are you guys happy if you don't have luxury? Do you guys want to be really happy? So then, Sivanta will give you that chance, which will offer you a home that is both luxurious and happy. It offers you 3 and 4 BHK apartments that are fully air-conditioned and boast of a lakeside view. It would be so lovely to have a home where you can come back and actually look out at a lake from your window. That would just be perfect, you know. That would just make life so much more worth living. Other than that, it extends an opportunity that will let you experience a lifestyle blessed with nature, comfort, and peace. It is loaded with recreational features, it is loaded with concierge services, a multi-purpose lawn, a library, a reflecting swimming pool, wellness features like a jacuzzi and a meditation deck, fitness features like a jogging track, a gymnasium, a tennis court. Oh, I'm tired, but this is just a few things to name out of the list. The Sivanta homes are created with state-of-the-art planning. Each house has a walk-in wardrobe. Wow, the last time I saw the Oprah Winfrey show. So thank you very much for giving a walk-in wardrobe. In a nutshell, Sivanta Homes will give you the chance to live and experience the life of your dreams, a life that you surely wouldn't want to miss. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure that so far you've enjoyed every bit of this evening, but we still have one more entertainment act. So ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the final performance of this evening? Let's give them a grand welcome, because this is the final performing act of this grand evening.
Thank you.